When a 747 takes off, it does not just lift itself. It moves the air so violently it can flip smaller aircraft like paper planes. With 5,500 square feet of wing, a fully loaded 747 generates hundreds of tons of lift. The pressure wave under those wings can knock over ground vehicles. At 180 miles per hour rotation speed, wingtip vortices explode into spinning tornadoes of air. Those vortices linger for minutes, sinking, swirling, and ready to roll any light aircraft unlucky enough to follow too soon. That is why air traffic control enforces 4 nautical miles of spacing behind a 747. Even other wide bodies give it space. 5,500 square feet of wing, 180 miles per hour rotation. Wake strong enough to flip aircraft. Here is the question. Should air traffic control spacing behind heavies like the 747 be increased even further? Or, or is there the, the current buffer enough? To fair